did a key right there a month ago. Not even a month ago, maybe. Maybe she'll see her spot on my video. Oh yeah, that white truck. I opened that white truck. Hey, how's it going? I have a YouTube channel.
Do you?
Yeah. Is it okay if I put your car on there?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Yeah, that white truck right there.
Uh-huh.
It was parked in this spot right here. It's on my channel.
Oh, this white one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my friend.
Is it really?
Malia, yeah.
That's funny.
Wait, and she locked her keys in there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Small world, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I did it like, I can show you the video even. Alright, we're gonna put it by code.
This is a pretty lucrative little business.
Is it? It used to be. Google advertising is very expensive, but other than that, yes. What do you do?
What do I do?
Yeah.
Well, I do like a few things. I do travel CNA work, and I do clinical research.
Oh, nice.
I'm in nursing school. But I do everything kind of part-time because of school.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you're at nursing school, that's good.
Yeah.
My sister's you know how you said a traveling CNA?
Yeah.
So she's a traveling nurse in her home state.
Yeah, eventually that's, what I'll get for.
Say it again? What'd you say?
Eventually I'll probably do that too. I'll test for my LPN in the summer because I'm in my second semester now.
Nice.
So I can test in the summer for that.
That's cool. Oh shit. Whoa, almost cut that. Almost broke that blade. I gotta listen for it because lately it's been giving me issues. It doesn't want to turn on. So just have to hold it. It's like a loose wire inside, and I gotta take the back off to find it. Car wants to give me problems, right? It's not kicking on. Nope. Hold on one second. All right, I'm gonna need a minute, okay? Fine all day today. So you guys have this problem with the Ninja where the motor doesn't kick on. Just a vibration from being in your van. We'll do it every couple of years. I have not been able to narrow down which wire though. Nope, that motor's not kicking on. My machine was messing up on me, but it's working now. Always something, guys. Always something. All right. Was your lock changed?
No.
Am I in the wrong car?
No.
This is the right car?
Yeah.
Nothing was changed on it? Hold on.
No.
Let me check. Let's make sure I put the right key code in. 0535. That is the right key code. Alright, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Hyundai Sonata. You didn't buy the car brand new, huh? Something was changed on it for sure. Just put this back together for a second. Hey, so did your key work on your door and on the ignition?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got your key code from your VIN number, and it's not coming up correct. It's possible it was changed before you got it.
So what do I do?
We'll still figure it out. But yeah, as long as their door and ignition are the same, we should be okay still. Have you ever had like a key get lost? Okay, but you didn't have like. Did you buy the car brand new?
No, I'm the second one.
Second one. And you had 2 keys for it?
Yeah, it came with 2 keys.
Yeah, it should have been. That should have been correct. Let's see. The key's definitely not in the car, right? Because you went upstairs to open your apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's take that door lock out. See what's going on. Anyone else try to make you a key tonight? Not yet.
No.
Let's take a look.
No, I called one place and then they wouldn't give me a rate.
Yeah.
So then I called you and then I got a rate, so then I just went with you.
Nice. Well, you probably would have ended up going with me anyway at this point, if this is the case. Because the simple way to do it didn't work. Just for the fun of it, we'll try this key in the ignition. Okay. Turned your alarm off just because. It definitely was changed. Okay, I'm like 1,000% sure that it was changed at some point. Yeah, I mean, it's possible if it was like, if it was repoed or who knows what, you know, before you bought it. Let's dissect that. It's different, but not by much. All right, we're gonna pull this lock apart. Okay, we'll take this cover off. So looking at this cover is on here loose. This cover definitely was removed at some point. If not, it would be a lot tighter from the factory. So I'm gonna say definitely this car was rekeyed because the factory key code did not work. Let's put our key in. Now most of it is flush. There's a few back ones that are changed. Looks like they just moved around the last 4 wafers. So I'll cut that key. So one side. I'll just figure out which side is what. You can look at the key. So 1 3 2 4 2 3. So this one and this one is going to be our 2 and our 3. It's probably just backwards. So the number on here is 1. The number on here is 1 1. So we got 1 1. That seems weird, guys. That seems weird. On the other side, also a 1. And also a 1. So they went 1 1 down here as well. Let's check the one next to the 1. Should also be a 1. That's a 4. And this one is 1. Okay, so they put a couple 1s at the end. And I bet you there's no key code found for that, so. Unless 1 1 is opposite, it could be 4 4. Let's see, find code, no code found, code not found. So that would definitely not be original. Let's cut it. Anyway. Put my finger down, maybe you can see it now. Everything else is flush besides for these. So someone changed the last 4. So we will cut that key. All right, let's put this key in. Voila, you can see everything's flush. Nice and smooth, the key will turn. I'm confident I'm gonna put it back together and then we'll just try the ignition key once we're over there. I kind of wish someone came out before me. Or do I? I want this nice and tight or else it'll fly off. And then the door won't open. All right. Which key was it? This one. What you got? Locks back in nice and tight. There we go.